Here from androkisilu.com, and welcome to today's video where I will show you exactly how you can start making up to $1,000 per week directly into your PayPal account, even if you've had no prior experience with this method, even if you've never made a single cent or dime online. So don't worry, just hold on and watch this video up to the end, because also at the end of the video I will be sharing with you a lot of good stuff. Now I would like you guys to go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're new to my YouTube channel, as well as hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I release a new video. I do regular videos on affiliate marketing, review videos on top products that I really recommend to you guys, some of which I use myself. Okay, so if making $1,000 per week online sounds like something you're really interested in, then stay to the end of the video, because at the end of the video I will be sharing with you how you can shortcut your way and start earning immediately, how to scale this into a full-time income, how you can up to 2x or even 10x your results immediately. Okay, these things you're not going to find anywhere else. They're only exclusive to you guys, and they will only be available for a limited amount of time. Now let's head straight to the video, because what you are to expect, I will show you the exact method, the tools you will need, and how you can get started today. Okay, so we are going to be using a method we're going to be using is selling on eBay. Okay, so we are going to be flipping stuff. Okay, how this works is you find items that are low priced, okay, but the demand is high. Okay, and what you do is, once you find these items that have a low price, you pick them up and then you go resell them on sites like eBay. Okay, this is the model we're going to be using. And you might ask me, where do you find these items that are going for cheap? Okay, these are things that you can find maybe from your friends. People who are doing garage sales especially do really well. So if there are garage sales around you, and this is mostly applicable to people in the US, Australia, Canada, and so on. Okay, because down here in our country we don't have a lot of garage sales. But what you can do yourself is this, is you go to the garage sales, and once you're at the garage sales, you can start checking for things that sell really well, okay, on eBay. This requires you to have a know-how, okay, but that's not the problem. Okay, the thing you're going to be doing is, don't stress over knowing a lot about these products. It takes time to be really good at it. So getting to understand these things will take some little bit of time and effort, but I'm sure you guys are ready to put in that work and effort if it means getting $1,000 per week online. Okay, now what you do when you go to the garage sales, you pick up the items, and once you pick up the items, you come and list them on eBay. Okay, there are a lot of things you can list on eBay. Let's go to the smartphones and accessories section. Okay, all these smartphones, cell phone accessories, cell phones and smartphones, you will find sorry, you will find items here that are going for really cheap. Okay, but what you want to do, you will find items here that are going for a good price, but you can find them for really cheap. I hope you get that right. So let's say you're going to be getting let's look at this. Okay, let's say it's cell phones and smartphones. I've sold a couple of cell phones and smartphones, not on eBay, but it has worked for me on my side. And you can see here, Apple iPhone 8 Plus 64GB unlocked with Apple warranty, perfect conditions, pre-owned, and it's going for $339.69. What you're going to do is exactly what this person is doing. They are selling their mobile phone, or a mobile phone they've bought from someone else. Okay, and they are selling it on eBay for a markup price. Okay, and the difference between the price you've bought it for and the price you're selling it for is your profit. Another way you can find these items, maybe you think this is a bit hard for you getting to find people who are selling their items or their stuff, garage sales and so on. You can go ahead into Craigslist. And when you go to Craigslist, okay, right now it's showing Craigslist Kenya, but what you can do is just tap on the Craigslist section here, and then you want to go and select your country. Okay, let me just move my camera a little bit so you can select the Americas, okay, the United States, okay, United States, and you can select your the area you're in, the state you're in. Okay, let's say we go with New York City. Okay, you want to go ahead and check out the for sale section. Anything that is in the for sale section or anything that is in the for free section. Okay, we have the for sale and then we also have free. Okay, for sale section we have free. Inside here you'll find things that people are giving away for free. Okay, some of the items you're going to be getting here are really useful items, and the reason why most of the people will be giving away this stuff for free is maybe because they are moving out and they don't need these items anymore and they just want to get rid of them as fast as possible. Okay, so you can see something like 2 vintage chrome 1970s lamps need rewiring. Okay, free base cabinets, all things in the picture, so on and so forth. So I don't know if I can find anything nice at the moment, but I just hope you get the idea. So you have all the time in the world to go ahead and search all through your neighboring states or your state that you're currently at. Go at the for free section, check out any item you can find over here that is useful, and all you need to do is once you check it out, just go ahead and, okay, let's see this for example. Okay, Robbie cordless drill, let's check if it's working, because most times some things are not working. Okay, so first response first served, you don't come when you say you're going to come, goes to next person. Okay, drill and case, battery isn't holding charge like he's used to, and I have other drills, so yeah. Okay, so what do you call this? It's a Robbie cordless drill. So let's see if this item is being sold on eBay. Okay, so it's a Robbie. Let me just move my camera a little bit so I can type it in. Cordless drill. And one thing about getting items from Craigslist, the for free section, you have to be really quick because a lot of people are also looking for those things. Okay, so you can see a new Robbie cordless impact driver starter is $144, but that's a new one. You want to look for a pre-owned one. Okay, look at this for example, a Robbie HP, yeah, 2 batteries plus case, $99. You've got this item for absolutely free. Okay, a refurbed one, $26. Okay, a refurbed one, $17. Okay, brand new, what, 67, 0 beads, for $65. The pre-owned one you can see for $14. So you can see that this item is selling for anywhere from $14 up to $99. Okay, so you are good to go because you're getting it for absolutely free. All you need to do is once you do it once, you just need to take that money. Now you have some cash that you can invest in your business. Maybe you sold it for $30. Okay, you need to go ahead, find more items in the for free section. Maybe you're not getting items in your state, go and look for items that are in states around you, somewhere that won't cost you a lot of money to get to. Okay, all you need to do is go ahead and rinse and repeat this method. Soon enough you will be making some amount of money that can allow you to go ahead and have some money that you can go with to the garage sales and start okay, getting some good and better items that you can flip for more money. Okay, I don't know if you guys have ever watched like the Gary V flipping stuff. He does some case studies on flipping where he goes to garage sales and shows you how you can be able to do the same. You just go to garage sales, check out the items, he buys a bunch of stuff, and he comes and lists them on eBay and he sells them. Okay, so you'll be doing simply that. Okay, now if you feel like this is a bit confusing, don't worry, I will show you exactly how you can be able to simplify all this by being held and shown step by step how you can be able to do all this. Okay, and the way you're going to do that is through a program called the Flip Magic. Okay, Flip Magic is a course that will show you how you can be able to set all this up in about 5 minutes. Okay, all you need to do is secret 5-minute copy and paste flip tricks makes us thousands in commissions online every single month. Okay, so you're going to find the course. Inside the course, you're going to find out how you can be able to tap into top products, where to find the products. There are lots of sites where you can be able to find the products. Some people actually do the AliExpress thing, like the drop shipping model, but if you're just starting out, I wouldn't really recommend it. But don't worry, inside Flip Magic you will find out how you can be able to bypass all this long learning curve. You can shortcut your way and get to earning immediately, because you're going to see the stuff that works right now in 2019 and in 2020. Okay, now inside the Flip Magic, you're going to find a front-end product that goes for $16 to $19. So anywhere between $16, at the moment it's at $16. I don't know how much it will be by the time you watch this video. And inside you will be getting the full course showing you how you can be able to find top products using the software you're going to get access to once you get Flip Magic. So it's a software that enables you to get the top products that are selling really well. So these are hot selling products that all you need to do is go and find them for cheap. That's all. Once you find them for cheap, the software has done everything for you. All you need to do is buy them and come and sell them on eBay. So it's just a kind of system that it's a plug and play kind of system, if you understand what I mean. The software does everything for you. All you need to do is to buy the products and list them. That's it. Okay, that's the front end product. You're going to be getting some upsells, but before we talk about the upsells, I want to talk about some bonuses that I put together to help you get the most out of Flip Magic. So I've gone through Flip Magic, and some of the things that I feel they have not touched on, I have catered for in my bonuses, so that you get the most out of Flip Magic. Okay, how to start without an investment, that's my first bonus. Okay, this is a course that will show you step by step how you can be able to leverage the kind of system I've showed you using Craigslist, and how you can be able to go ahead and get started for free and scale this up. Okay, how you can be able to make tons and tons of money without investing any of your money so far. Okay, I will show you exactly how to do that. The second one is how to dominate eBay from scratch. So inside this course you will learn exactly step by step how to find top selling products. Okay, leave alone the software that you're getting. So this is just another way of just boosting and dominating and scaling your business. How to find the top products in different niches. Okay, these are clothing products, okay, electronics and stuff, all the things you need to know about the ins and outs of eBay, everything touched on. Okay, so with this, actually you don't need to pick up any upsell, because most of the upsells are going to show you a lot more about the ins and outs of eBay. Okay, the third bonus is flipping case studies. Okay, so I'm going to give you access to some case studies that have been put together showing you how other people have used this method and have been able to be successful with it. Okay, and then I'm also going to be showing you the best niches you need to tap into if you want to get into eBay. Okay, and that's about it. Those bonuses are going to help you get the most out of your Flip Magic experience, and how you'll be able to get up and running as soon as possible. This in itself will be able to 2x or 10x your results if you just go ahead and pick up Flipmagic and then follow step by step the method that you will be shown. You won't be able to struggle like the other people because you have a ready to follow working and proven blueprint at your disposal. Okay, so yeah, then when we come here to the other one-time offers, you're going to get the OTO one at $37, which is the Flipmagic Ultimate. It includes advanced features and more done for you material. Okay, more advanced training in the second OTO. The Flipmagic Bible, $29 to $39. OTO 3 is a $1 trial. You're going to get access to the Elite Internet Marketing Academy for just $1. Okay, so that's access to over 300 videos and everything done for you. The fourth upsell is for $67. The upsell will give you access to the Internet Marketing Traffic Academy, which is termed the Traffic Bible. Okay, and the fifth upsell will show you how you it's a live bootcamp, so you're getting access to a live bootcamp and sharing some underground secrets to close more clients. Okay, so guys, if this sounds like something you're really interested in, making money with eBay, okay, how you can get started with it for absolutely $0 invested, go ahead and pick Flipmagic up and also utilize my bonuses to get the most out of your experience and get you earning the amount of money that you and I know should be earning already online. Okay, so skip through the struggle, the hustle and the bustle, and go ahead into earning some good amounts of cash online. That will be it for this video, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.